This is a Mako Shark II inspired 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, and it is now up for auction on AutoHunter.com. The Mako Shark II Custom is the result of a 1,700-hour ground-up restoration completed in 2020 by a Corvette Specialty shop in Indiana. Starting with a fiberglass 1965 Mako Shark II body, the body was customized and given modern lighting solutions, finished in Lunar Blue Metallic paint, fitted with staggered American Racing Torq thrust wheels with 18s in the front and 20s in the rear, and Mako Shark badging to complete the look. The body was then placed on a 1973 SCCA Corvette frame, which features Borgeson power steering, tubular front suspension, C4 Corvette rear end with custom links, QA1 coilovers, and Wilwood Hydro Boost disc brakes. The interior is finished in black and features 1980s Corvette seats, vintage air AC, power windows, some custom touches, and Mako Shark badges. Power comes from a 454 cubic inch V8 rated for 390 horsepower, which is paired with a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission and sends power to the rear wheels. So don't wait, head to AutoHunter.com to start bidding for your chance to win this Mako Shark II inspired 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. The auction closes on August 11th, 2023.